I think it's 7:20 right now.
Make sure you put it back on. 7:20. What did they just?
Sorry. Okay.
Chase them off. Okay, you ready to interview me?
Go action.
Hello, today is February 15th, 2011, and we're here at court today. We again are your eyes and ears for what's happening at the Conrad Murray trial. Who is the person who is said to have killed Michael Jackson? And I believe that he did. Okay, so today Conrad Murray was not there. He was excused by the court, and he was told that he didn't have to come because he had other business that he had to take care of. So his attorneys were there in his place. And the first thing that happened was that there was a firm who has in the past worked with Michael Jackson, represented Michael Jackson.
I need to. President long time.
Here with Taj, and how are you feeling today? What's going on in court?
It's a lot of playing around, same old games. Defense not handing over the discoveries. I'm sure they've got it. They're playing around, wasting time. They've got a strategy, and that's, not to hand over what they've got. So obviously the prosecution can't come back, and challenge what's been presented to them. I'm a bit concerned about the new attorney. I think there is a conflict of interest. The same firm represented Michael back in 2003. Michael was very vulnerable at that time. He may have made a lot of statements, discussed a lot of personal issues, and this attorney, obviously being from the same firm, may have access to that sensitive information, so I think it is conflict of interest. And the main thing, the main question mark in my head is, where is Conrad Murray getting all this money from? Where is all this money coming from? The good doctor was in over $600,000 debt. He's got equipment at his clinic. He's got loans on that. Non-payment of child support, home going into foreclosure, and everything's magically disappeared. Who is financing Dr. Murray?
And that's happened since the murder of Michael Jackson?
Oh yeah, since the murder of Michael Jackson. A broke-ass good doctor is coming to a lot of money. I'm very curious to know where from.
That is a curious question. Thank you.
Love you, Carol.
Thank you.
Okay, I gotta run home.
I'm ready.
How you doing? Here at the court again, waiting to see justice for Michael Goward Horton. And just want to say that, again, Michael Jackson was a murder victim. He was not a drug addict. He did not take drugs to get high. Michael Jackson had several diseases that were very painful to him, lupus being one of them. He also had back injuries, other bone injuries that were very painful to him. And then all the stress from the media helped him not to sleep at night. But what happened with this case was Conrad Murray took advantage of something of the pain he was in, and the misprescription that some gave him, took advantage of that as a way to murder. He knew that Conrad Murray was a hitman. He was not just making a mistake in his misprescription. He was a hitman. Killed Michael Jackson, sent by, I believe, Tommy Mottola, because they knew that he already had a situation where he needed to be sedated in order to not feel the pain. So they took advantage of that to overdose him and to kill him. So we're just praying that the defense not continue trying to drag their feet. We'll just bring whatever evidence they say they have, because we know they don't really have anything, so that we can move on to the real evidence showing that Conrad Murray murdered Michael Jackson. That's why his name is Conrad Murdered. His name is Conrad Murdered. That's his name. Read it. Think about it. Conrad Murdered. Murdery. And murderer. it. That's his name. All right, y'all. Peace out.
But that's what Geraldine calls him too.
Come in here. Hey, murderer. Murderer. And that's how you
You
say
like
it.
my butterfly?
Oh, yes. It's glorious.
It's Michael's butterfly.